Hello friends, welcome to the Marketing Manager channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss reliability testing using a Cronbach Alpha in the SPSS software. So ये भी एनालिसिस आपके सर्वे डेटा को समझने और एनालाइज करने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और स्पेशली अगर आप रिसर्च या डेटा एनालिसिस में इंटरेस्टेड हैं. So let's start with the definition of Cronbach Alpha. Cronbach Alpha is a measure used to assess the internal consistency of reliability of set of the items like questions in the survey or a test. So basically it tells us how or well the items in the test measures the same underlying the concept or the variables. So friends, इसका मतलब है कि अगर हमारे पास सर्वे में कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो एक ही कंस्ट्रक्ट को मेजर कर रहे हैं तो क्रॉनबैक अल्फा हमें ये बताएगा कि क्या ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके वो कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ वही जो चीज़ मेजर कर रहे हैं जो आप करना चाहते हो. और एक क्रॉनबैक अल्फा वैल्यू जैसे कि 0.7 या उससे ज़्यादा इंडिकेट करती है कि जो आपने क्वेश्चंस आपने इंक्लूड किए हैं या फिर आपका जो कंस्ट्रक्ट है या स्केल है वो रिलायबल है या नहीं है. सो नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द क्रॉनबैक अल्फा टेस्ट. So you need to have multiple items or the questions that measure the same concept. The scale should measure a single concept and a sample size should be a large enough for the analysis. Next, this table provides quick guides to interpreting the Cronbach alpha values for the reliability analysis. So here what each range means. So if your values are more than 0.90 or 9, reliability would be excellent, and this means the items are very consistent in measuring the same concept. And if your items or the values of the Cronbach alpha is between 0.8 to 0.89, it means the reliability is the good, which indicating the good internal consistency. And if the Cronbach alpha value is between 0.7 to 0.79, it means reliability is acceptable, meaning items are reasonably consistent. And if your values are between 0.6 to 0.69, it means reliability is questionable. So there may be some inconsistency in the item of the questions. Then the Cronbach alpha values between 0.5 to 0.59 means the reliability is poor. Item may not be measured the same concept which you are measuring, and less than 0.5 value of the reliability is unacceptable. It means suggesting a significant inconsistency among the items. So in short, higher value indicates a better reliability, with 0.7 and above usually considered acceptable in the research. So let's consider a simple example. So suppose we have a survey with the 5 questionnaire in the measuring customer satisfactions for the product or maybe the services. So you can check here. We want to see if these 5 questions are consistently measuring the customer satisfactions or not. So to check whether these questions or the items are reliable, we are conducting a Cronbach alpha in the SPSS software. Now let's walk through the step in the SPSS software. So first you have to open the SPSS and you can load your data set and ensures you have the column and representing the questions which are measuring different constructs and the factors. Then you can see here we have total 24 items which are measuring different constructs. For example, 3 items are related to the customer trust in the hotel. Then 4 items are related with the memorable experience, and then 4 items are related with the hotel image and hotel service quality. They are again of 4 items. Then to measure the customer satisfaction, we have 5 items. So you can see here. So 5 items are there which are measuring the customer satisfaction. Then in the last we have 4 items which are related with the customer's loyalty. So total we have 24 items, and the data we have which we are using is of 382. So now I'll do the analysis part. For the analysis, you can click on the analyze, then on scale, and then you can click on our reliability analysis. So in the reliability analysis, as we are just measuring the reliability of customer satisfaction with the 5 items, so you can drag the 5 items of the customer satisfaction, or whatever the items you are measuring in the SPS software. So you can drag the item related to that particular construct into this item box. Then you can select here the model. It should be the Cronbach alpha only. Then you can press on OK. Then you will be able to see the output. So here in the interpretation, you can see we have total valid case, the sample size which is 382, and the number of items which are measuring the customer satisfactions are 5, and the value of the Cronbach alpha is 0.917. So which means you can see here, as per these parameters, the Cronbach alpha value and the reliability level for our construct customer satisfaction is excellent. So now I'll show you, if you want to see like which item is contributing to the reliability, or if there are some weak statements or the items in the construct, you can also identify by selecting a different option. So for that, again we'll do the reliability analysis. In this scale, you will click on the reliability analysis, and then from statistics option you can click on scale if item deleted option, then continue, and you can click on OK. So now one another table will be generated which will show you if you are deleting any items, what will be your Cronbach alpha values. So if you want to improve your Cronbach alpha value, then you can delete some values which are having the lower or very less Cronbach alpha values, and you can improve the Cronbach alpha values of your scale. So friends, this table shows the Cronbach alpha if item deleted. So if removing any items increase the Cronbach alpha value, it might indicate that the item doesn't fit well with the rest of the scale. So I hope you find this video useful. Reliability analysis is an essential part of the data analysis, especially for the research. And if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.